did you guys know that there is now a new insurance company specifically for rideshare drivers and delivery drivers? There, and it's always been this thing with as a gig worker, you you kind of don't want to tell your insurance company that you're driving rideshare, or else if they do find out, they could drop you, they could delete you from your policy. If you get into an accident while you're driving rideshare, it's a whole mess. If you get into an accident and they know you're a rideshare driver, like they might not even cover you because you're kind of violating their terms. But now, luckily, there's a new app, and you can see right here that I'm wearing the merch too. It's called Buckle. Buckle is our video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Buckle. And they're essentially an insurance company that helps rideshare drivers. They've solved that issue with drivers not being covered. And you don't need, this isn't like an addition to your policy. This isn't like a whole policy. You can talk to them and figure it out. But you can cancel your old policy and just use Buckle. And for right now, with our link, you will get $20 simply for getting a free quote. Isn't that cool, Izzy?
Yeah, I'd like a free $20.
What would you do
That's
with?
so nice.
Yeah, it is really nice. And what would you do with $20?
Probably go get myself a nice salad from Sweet Green.
Sweet Green does make a mean salad. I would have to agree with you there.
Yeah.
So, with Buckle, you have peace of mind. You have all the coverage you need for personal and gig working. No credit checks. We do not check your credit. Instead, they check your driving record. We feel it is a fair way to judge how you drive. Immediate proof of insurance. Sign up today and you will be covered immediately. We'll even help you cancel your old policy so you don't even have to worry about wasting money. And they have the best customer service, and they're featured in Financial Times, The Motley Fool, Money, and